If Chrome is showing the ERR underscore internet underscore disconnected error and your internet works in other apps or browsers, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem quickly on Windows and Mac. We'll check proxy settings, look at Chrome's developer tools offline mode, flush the DNS cache, reset the network stack, remove a saved Wi-Fi profile, and finally check your antivirus settings. These are the most common reasons Chrome suddenly thinks you're offline when you're actually connected. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's check your LAN proxy settings, because an accidental change here can break your browser's connection. On your keyboard, press Windows key and R to open the run box. Type inetcpl.cpl and press Enter. This opens Internet Properties. Next, click the Connections tab, then click LAN Settings. Here, make sure Automatically Detect Settings is checked. Also, make sure Use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. If proxy settings were turned on by mistake, that could be the reason Chrome is unable to connect properly. Click OK to save the changes, then close the window and test Chrome again. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is Chrome's developer tools. Sometimes Chrome may be set to offline inside the developer panel, especially if you've been testing websites or changing network settings. Open Chrome developer tools by pressing F12, or use Control, Shift, and I on Windows, or Command Option and I on Mac. Once the panel opens, click the Network tab at the top. Look for the small network drop-down near the option that says Disable Cache. If it says offline, that means Chrome is simulating no internet connection. Change it back to no throttling. This is a very easy fix, but many people overlook it. Now refresh the page and see if the connection comes back. If Chrome still shows ERR underscore internet underscore disconnected, let's move on to flushing the DNS cache and resetting the IP stack. This step helps clear broken network data that may be blocking websites from loading correctly. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. In the command prompt window, type the first command exactly as shown and press Enter, ipconfig/flush DNS. After that finishes, type the next command and press Enter, netsh int IP reset. Then enter the final command, netsh winsock reset. These commands help reset networking components and clear old cached data that can interfere with your connection. When they finish, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. After the restart, open Chrome again and check whether the error is gone. If you still see the issue, the next step is to delete the saved network profile on your PC. Sometimes a corrupted Wi-Fi profile can stop your device from authenticating properly, even if the network itself is working. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi, and open Manage Known Networks. Find the Wi-Fi network you are currently using and click Forget. Once that is done, reconnect to the network and enter your password again. This gives Windows a fresh connection profile and can fix hidden network problems that affect Chrome. If you're on Ethernet or using another type of connection, you can still try disconnecting and reconnecting, or removing and re-adding the network if that option is available. Now, one more thing to check is your antivirus software. In some cases, security software can block Chrome's access to the internet even when everything else seems fine. If you have an antivirus or internet protection tool installed, try disabling it temporarily and then test Chrome again. If Chrome starts working after that, the antivirus is likely interfering with your connection. If so, you may need to add Chrome to the allowed apps list or adjust the firewall settings instead of leaving protection turned off. Just remember to turn your antivirus back on after testing so your system stays protected. By now, one of these fixes should have resolved the ERR underscore internet underscore disconnected error in Chrome. Start with the proxy settings and the offline switch because those are the quickest checks. Then move on to the DNS reset, network profile, and antivirus test if needed. If the video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides that save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.